Hey friends, now I'm going to do an experiment based on acid, bases and salts. Here I had used turmeric and it is a natural indicator. I had used surf excel soap you can take, and it is a vinegar. I had taken water and this turmeric paste. Now I'm going to do my experiment. First I will add some basic, or we can say it, soap solution or basic solution. Now I will add this and it will turn to red. You can see the color is forming slowly, and it is the color because of the basic in nature. We have to wash the spoon after this process. Now I'm taking my acidic solution, same substance, same quantity, so that and it will not change, it will remain only yellow because acid contain, what it contain acid, you can see. Now I will add this too and it will give me this turmeric. I'm taking a fresh glass. The spoon have to be washed. Adding this red color to it, and we do not have to add acid and base because it may be harmful. Now you can see color is forming. I thought we have to take a little more. Yes, now they both are equal, you can see. So this process I have to conclude that acid bases salts. Thank you.